Hey guys, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you my new puzzle box. We're calling it the Niffler Escape because the goal is to get the little Niffler out of the box. Now, let's get started. So if you look, there's a couple things. There's a little lever here. Don't really know what that could be for. Could really be for anything, but don't really know. Well, there's this. What if we wiggle? Oh, this can just come right out. This must be our tool then. If we look up here, there's the Niffler, but there's no really way to get him out. But this kind of leads to his pen. So what if we do that kind of? If you look, he's not there anymore. I think he fell down somewhere. So that must be the way to get him out. Well, there's a hole here, and by the sound of it, sounds like we're running into whatever's holding the Niffler. So there must be something keeping it in place. Well, there's a hole here. If we look, can't really tell. There's something there blocking. That doesn't do anything. A little sticky. If we try this one. Okay. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything. This is where we got it. That just goes all the way back there. Yeah, we don't want to lose our tool. There's these, and this goes back. Doesn't go any further. And this right here doesn't go anywhere. This here doesn't go far. This either, or this either. So why don't we go back to this hole? Oh, it's not moving. Maybe something's going on. Let's see what else. Can we find any other secrets? Look at this. Door. Does this door do anything? Well, it looks like it releases this kind of. What if we kind of... Now we can see the inside of the box. Now we can see that this is the lever here, but we don't know what this can be used for yet. And we can see a little green thing back there. What if we try to push this out? Can't see. You can't see if anything's kind of going on. Poke something. So maybe if we try to move... Oh, look at this. It moved something. Look, if we see, you can't really see, but there's Niffler feet right back there. So it must be a little drawer we have to open. Well, is there something that we can use to push it? There is. There's a couple holes back here. Push. It's getting stuck here. So, what if we push that back? What if we use this lever, kind of? Interesting. Nothing's really happening right now, so we gotta kind of put this down. Okay. Got the drawer back down. Now what we have to do is we have to move the lever down over here, and then we need to push, which pushes out a little thing you can't really see, but then you can take out this. So you pull out the lever, then you can get this. Now if we try to push this back now, Now it's there, and there's nothing in the way. So if we push this again, it's right there. Why can't I grab it? Well, it turns out there's actually a mini puzzle here. So what you have to do, you have to put this in and slide it over like that. So then it accesses a new hole, which then you can push. So then, after you go here, insert it in like that, then you pull to the side, then you push in like that. And I think we got it. Now if we find out some way to push it out, like through back here. Still won't come out, so maybe I missed something. Let's try now. Oh, and here's the Niffler. That's the Niffler escape. Pretty complicated puzzle. Yeah, it took quite a while to do, but works well. And yeah, that is the Niffler escape.